This video will show you how to disassemble the small top cover of the Q18. For this maintenance, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. Start by removing the screws at the back side of the cover. Then press the cover to click it out of the profile. You can now remove the cover. You can now perform any maintenance. Place the front of the cover back into the profile. Then insert the back of the cover into the profile. After this, you can reattach the screws again. You have now successfully disassembled a small top cover of the Q18. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.